This demonstration will show how to create a new post for the Times Square's updates page. So when you want to add new content here or manage the content that's already here, you'll open up a browser window and go to www.blogger.com and log in with the Gmail address that I set up for you. It's smokies.timessquare@gmail.com, and then use the password. Click sign in. Okay, and now you can see here's our blog here, Smokies Times Square, a link to create a new post or manage all of the settings. So we want to create a new post. And here I can enter the title for the post. So the title will show up as this type of text, update 1. So I'll say demonstration of adding an update. And now I'll type out some text. We can select some of this text and you can change the font on it, make it bold. So you can do a lot of the editing, formatting with this control. Okay. And now this is we've finished our blog post. Check the spelling. And now I want to make sure it shows up on the updates page. So in this label field, I'm going to type U for updates, and then it suggests, do you want to add the updates label? And I say yes. And now I'm going to say publish this. So now Blogger is publishing the files to the website. So this is taking it from Blogger and actually putting the HTML on the website. So when I come back here and click refresh, now you can see here's our post, demonstration for adding an update. Here's how we add the new post, la-di-da, and the label shows up here. So all of the posts with the label updates will show up on this update page. To add new photos to our photos page, we're going to use Picasa program that we recently installed and use it to directly publish photos to the blog. So here I'm going to open up Picasa, and I've selected my folder that I want to export pictures from. So now I'm going to look through these pictures for the ones I want to upload to the blog. Okay, this one looks good. I'm going to adjust the color and lighting. Okay, and now you can see it's here on this tray, and everything that's on this tray will be uploaded to Blogger when we get ready. So I'm going to hold this one in the tray so that when I advance the photos, it stays there. So now as I look for other photos to upload, this one looks good. I'll hold it. Blogger will let you upload up to 4 photos at a time. So let me find one more here. Okay, so now I've got 3 photos in my tray, and I'm going to upload them to my blog by clicking the blog this button. Ask me to sign in. Okay, so here it's asking, do you want the pictures to float on the left and have the text wrap around them, or just to be in the center or at right? I'll just choose left and leave them at the medium size. Now I can enter the title, and here I can edit the text. If I can get it to work here. Boy. It's not cooperating with me here. Okay, and since I can't enter, I think it did upload the 3 originally, but as I was goofing around, it must have deleted one. But anyway, this will give you the idea. So now it doesn't let me add the label to this page. So the label is what directs it to the photo page. So I'm just going to save this as a draft. Now it's preparing the files to upload to the website. Here it's posting them to Blogger. And this will actually load the pictures to our server. So all the pictures that you add to the server will be loaded from the server and served there. But the pictures, they're not too large and they don't take up too much bandwidth. It's something we should monitor, but otherwise it shouldn't be a problem. Now it's actually loading them to our server. Okay, but since I saved it as a draft, they're not actually here yet, so I'm going to go back to Blogger. Log in. Now I want to manage my posts, and here's the one I just created. You can see it's in draft form, so I'm going to edit it. Actually, I just saw something that was interesting. Oh, okay, so this is the other way you can do it. You can either edit it and add the photos label to it, and then you would publish it. It looks like you can also just select this checkbox and select apply the photos label to it, and now you can see the photos labels here. And then I was wondering if I could just publish it. Looks like I still have to go into the edit to publish the post. So now I come in here, you can see the photos is there, and I'm going to click publish post. So now it's actually going to show up on our blog site. Okay, it's loaded. When I come back here to the photos page, I hit refresh. I'm voila, there you can see it was loaded today, demonstration photos, and there are the two photos. You can see the text didn't quite get aligned. It might be a better option to choose, instead of the left align, choose the center align, and that's a little bit easier to format the text with. You can also click on each of these images and it will open a larger size. So you can see all the detail, and then click your back button and you're back here. And that's how you load new photos to the photo page.